Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie. I'm a 33-year-old zero-based cashless budgeter and stuffer, and today we're here to stuff my second bi-weekly paycheck of July. So this is my second paycheck. Obviously I didn't stuff my first one because I was on my hiatus. And if you watched the video when I came back from my hiatus, I mentioned about my inheritance. I did receive the check. I've deposited the check, but the money has not completely cleared into my account yet, and whenever it does, I have a couple of loans that I'm planning on paying off, so I'm going to pay those loans, and then we'll go ahead and budget out and stuff the rest of that money. So fingers crossed that will happen next week, but we'll see. So there might be four uploads in a row on this channel instead of the new normal of bi-weekly. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I might be a little bit rusty because I haven't done this in so very long, but we'll see how it goes. So we have $21.42 on the calculator. That is what I will be stuffing of my paycheck bi-weekly. And we've got our envelopes here. We are stuffing for July 23rd through August 8th. So whenever we get to the envelopes that have dates, we'll be stuffing from the 23rd through the 5th. I think I said August 8th. I meant August 5th. But let's just start with my PayPal binder. So Crochet by Jamie is getting $15 per pay. That is all that it has. For most of these envelopes, it will be all that we have because we're just getting back into stuffing. There are a couple that have a little bit of money. Festivals is also getting $15 per pay. Oh, I should be subtracting this. See, told you I'm rusty. Prescriptions is also getting $15 per pay. Ooh. Shindigs and Shenanigans is getting $10 per pay. I'm throwing money all over the place. Spending is getting $30 per pay, so a 20 and a 10. And this actually does have some money in it already. So we have $20, $35, $40 in spending. Travel is getting $10 per pay. And wedding is also getting $10 per pay. So PayPal is completely stuffed, and we have $2,037 remaining. So we'll go into my bills next, and this will be the binder where I have the dates. So we'll do the 23rd through the 5th. So first up is therapy. This gets stuffed every paycheck because I go bi-weekly, so it gets $40. All right, for my subscriptions, the 23rd through the 5th, we're gonna have $32.82. Actually, we're not doing the $50 one this month. So we have 32 plus 21 is 53. So 52 and 3. For my psych, I go every 4 weeks and it costs $90. So we're going to be stuffing 45. So 20, 40, and 5. Hulu will be getting stuffed. It's on the 2nd, so that'll be $22. Banfield comes out on the 5th, so we'll be stuffing that one as well. That is $77. So 50, 20, 5, 77. Okay, and then Spotify is the 10th, so no. Gym's the 17th, so no. Electric's the 17th, so no. Car insurance the 19th, so no. Xfinity's the 22nd, so no. Gas is the 22nd, so no. Chewy every 10 weeks gets $77. So what's 77 divided by 5? 15. We'll do $15 into Chewy. And then my water bill gets $60 per pay. So 50 and 60. And then for my yearly subscriptions, we don't have anything coming up until November, so we're going to skip that for now. And I will stuff that with my inheritance money. All right, so we have $17.25 left. So next we're gonna go into my debts. So my mortgage gets paid bi-weekly, and it is $3.50. So 1, 2, 3, and 50. Okay, my debt negotiation is $5.60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 60. And I'll skip Upstart, FCM, and we need to do my full Upstart payment, which is $5.17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 17. 5.17. All right. So that leaves us with $298 for everything else. So let's go ahead and skip around a little bit. So because I'm getting my inheritance, I am okay with skipping some of these or doing less than I would. Let's do the 125 in month ahead. So 125. This currently has $5 in it. So let me color in my 2 pigs and we'll count while that dries. So we have 125, 130 in month ahead. And this is not dry because that was a very quick count, so I'm going to leave that for a moment. Nails I'm getting done this week, so I do need to stuff. So we'll put $100 in. Stash, we will do, so 10, 5, 10, 12 should cover everything. So $61 left. Let's see. What do I absolutely need to stuff? None of those. So $61. So let me put 50 into gas because my tank is pretty low and I will need to fill up probably tomorrow before my inheritance check clears the whole way. Groceries I just got today, so I'm okay there. That we will stuff whenever we do the inheritance. So let's just put the 11 into sweet treats so I can get an energy drink from the vending machine at work. Actually, let's put it into things and stuff, which is my catch-all. So whatever money I have left over at the end of the stuffing will go into things and stuff. So that is 100% of my paycheck allocated and stuffed into my binders. So I need to put that tracker back. I really don't remember what I'm doing here. All right, so that is 100% of my bi-weekly paycheck allocated and stuffed. So that is going to be it for this video. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you've been up to in the past like 5 months that I've been gone. And I will see you in 2 weeks for another salary cash stuffing.